Wow, I need a haircut. Remember last week when I was talking about learning how to play an instrument and how I tried my hand at the guitar and the keyboard in school? Well, there's one other instrument that I've tried my hand at, but not in school, and that's the ocarina. I picked this up in Taiwan on a trip a few years ago. I didn't take any formal lessons, but they gave me like an instruction book in Chinese. So I gave it a try, and I left it dormant for some time, but I thought I'd try it again after shooting last week's vlog, so bear with me. Let's see if you can figure out what I'm playing, because that will indicate whether I'm any good at this. Wait, that's not right. One more time, okay. Bear with me, I'll get this. Not bad, right? Let me try something a little bit harder. Okay, I think I got this. Saxophone, saxophone. I've got a couple of trips coming up, both for business and for pleasure, so borrowing a little inspiration from fellow YouTuber Jordan Hauser Digital, I thought I'd show you what I put in my camera bag when I travel. And I'll be using the f-stop gear bag that I featured a few weeks ago. Alright, so as I mentioned, here is the f-stop Andro 13. This is my first time traveling with this bag, so the contents might change in the future as I figure out what worked and what didn't work. The other thing worth mentioning is obviously I'm using a camera to shoot this video, so let me grab my phone here and there we go. So there's my Panasonic GH2 with the 20mm f1.7 lens on there. So I substituted that for a camera inside this bag to give you a sense of the spacing, roughly equivalent in size. So starting from the outside, I have the Fuji Fugly Tech mini tripod that I mentioned in a vlog a couple weeks ago, I guess. So I'll put that here, actually, there's a little bit of space. There we go. So there's the Fuji Fugly Tech mini tripod. It's kind of like a Manfrotto clone. The other outside pocket on the side here, I have a little pack with some business cards. And then on the front pocket here, there's just enough space for my Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. Opening up the main compartment, I make use of the top flaps here for lens cover, memory cards and adapters, another memory card, battery for the Panasonic camera, a couple of spare 9-volt batteries, which I'll explain in just a moment, a little wipey cloth thing, use it for my phone or whatever. So going into the side here, got a USB power bank. Gotta always have that power for charging things. And then, I guess on the note of charging, USB wall wart, USB-C cable, micro USB reversible cable, short micro USB cable, and then sunglasses, because, you know, sunglasses. So as I was mentioning, here is my Olympus EPL1 with the 1442 kit lens. roughly the same kind of total size as my Panasonic GH2 with the 20mm, so it's just a substitute to show that it fits in the bag. Put it there. My 14-140 telephoto lens. Rode Video Mic Pro shotgun microphone, and that's why I have the spare 9-volt batteries. This does take 9-volt batteries. Put that there. What else? Mini tripod to go with the other mini tripod. Another mini tripod, can't have too many of these things. Polaroid Cube Plus action camera, it's kind of like a poor man's GoPro in the waterproof case. Cell phone holder that can go onto any of these tripods here in case I want to, shoot something with my phone too. The Tellison backpack clip thing for the Polaroid Cube. I also featured this in a vlog a couple weeks ago. Starting to run out of room here. And my 13-inch Ultrabook. I can move some stuff around here. That's barely gonna fit. Please don't fall. The power supply for my Ultrabook. And battery charger for my Panasonic camera. I think that's everything. Oh no, one more. Another little toy that I picked up on Amazon some time back that I don't know how often I'm actually gonna end up using it. Put this box somewhere. There we go. It's a Andor time lapse. It's basically a fancy egg timer, so I can do like a motion time lapse if I'm doing kind of with the cube or with my phone or whatever. And I think that's it. Yeah. Alright, so that gives you an idea of everything that I use to travel with. Let me change the camera here. Alright, so I guess that wraps things up for now. Thanks so much for watching. Next week will be a travel vlog, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the little notification bell so you get notified when the new video goes up. Until then, I'm still Michael Kwan, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.